Hi everybody, so this is my module 17, the data analysis and assessment. I made two separate pages. The first one, it would be like a poster that you could put up, or teachers could put a copy in the front of their notebooks. And the second one is a sheet that they could fill out. So this one is the handout, and you would give it out at each meeting. And this one is the directions for how to go about doing that. And I'll post both of them here in a minute in my module. So to begin with, I broke it down by the steps to, this is according to the website that we were given that had the flow chart already, and then also by a website that I found on my own that I have the source at the bottom of the page here. It says getting started analyzing data. So to begin with, in getting started, it tells you what to do with the facilitator reviewing the norms of the meeting, discussing the purpose of the meeting, and answering questions. And it should take about 3 minutes. Then you'll spend about 2 minutes going through the data and deciding what do you see. You can write that down on the other sheet and then spend about 8 minutes discussing it. And it goes into more detail in here, but to do this in 3 minutes, I don't have time. Step 2 is what does the data tell us? The facilitator will guide by 3 questions. What does the data tell us? What does the data not tell us? And what are the assumptions we can make about students and their learning? So again, you could spend about 3 minutes recording your own observations and then about 7 minutes discussing. Step 3 then has 3 questions, 3 parts. What good news is there? What problems do we see? And what implications for classroom practice? And you can go through and record your thoughts first and then discuss. And it's really good, I think, to focus on this, what good news is there? That was from the separate document that I found, because it's definitely important to focus on what we're doing right and what we're doing well and not just negatives. The last part is what conclusions can we draw? You can spend about 10 minutes discussing this, and then they need to go through and look at not just conclusions, but what are we going to do with that information? So designing an action plan, including an outline of materials, is very important to follow up with. And then finally, what additional needs or data would be helpful? So what else could we possibly need or use to help us make this? Sorry about the cat. Here are my sources at the bottom of the page. I think that was important to include. As for the questions that we were asked, how will teachers react to being given this? I personally would love this. I think it would be fantastic, and we would know that if there's more than one group meeting, we're talking about the same things, we're being guided in the same way. It would be so great. And then how can I adapt to this? You can easily change the amounts of time given. You can make it work for anything, really. I really truly feel like I could even use this in the classroom. Maybe put different questions in at the different points, but I think it would be highly beneficial to use. So that is my handout. Here is the actual handout, the step-by-step. So it has the same breakdown, but with room to write. And if for any reason a person needs more room, they can always turn it over and write on the back. So here we go. Thank you all.